How's it going, guys? Hopefully you guys are all doing great today. I want to talk to you about my wife's 2009 Honda Odyssey. Within the last year, we've been having a problem with the radio. Now, the radio does come on, there is power there, but there is no audio coming from the radio. And so today, after a year of my wife telling me, you don't care about my vehicle, you care about your vehicle, you also want to fix your vehicle, the radio hasn't been working, and you refuse to fix it. So I said, okay, you know what? I'm going to take a day off work today, and I'm going to make sure that my number one priority is to get her radio fixed. Well, to diagnose what the problem is and hopefully fix it. Now, the fact that the radio comes on and there's no audio, I'm assuming that it's probably a fuse or something like that. So it's probably going to be a quick fix. I don't know. I'm hoping, because there is power. The radio does power up. The volume control works. You can change the station, and pretty much the whole functionality of the radio does work. It's just that there is no audio coming from the radio. So let me go ahead and show you guys. Right off the bat, what I've got so far is I've got a little plastic pouch here with some fuse. I think it's important to always have spare fuse, because you never know when you're going to be needing those. And I have a fuse tester here as well, and I have a tweezer. And let me go ahead. Let me go around and turn the vehicle on, so I can show you guys what exactly is happening. Okay, so let me go ahead and turn it on. Okay, so navigation's coming up right now. The radio does power up. You can turn the volume up and down. You can change the stations. Pretty much all the functionality of the radio works except for the audio. So let's go aside, and so this vehicle is just beautiful. It's fully loaded. It's the lights on there for service A is due soon, which is most likely oil change, and pretty basic stuff that goes along with the car. Leather seats are it's in really good condition. It's a little bit dark right now, but so I'm gonna grab my fuse, and I'm gonna grab this tripod. I'm gonna grab a tweezer, and let's go out and try to figure out what this problem is together. Well, first we need to pop the hood. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay, let's pop the hood. Oh wait, let's do that. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that there, and then I'm gonna go ahead, drop my tweezer, go ahead and put my tweezer here. One of the main reasons why I'm checking this fuse under the hood is I know that this has something to do with the audio, because I've had this problem years back in a friend of mine, Honda Odyssey, and we're able to figure it out. So I'm assuming that's what the problem is. So I'm gonna go ahead and mount the tripod here, so you guys can actually see what I'm doing. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and make sure that connect to the body of the car just for ground, so I can, let's see if that works. And I'm gonna go ahead and wait. So let's go ahead and this secondary, this is your primary fuse box, but right here at the back of it, the secondary fuse box. And to pop that out, all you have to do is squeeze down. I'm gonna come on this side. Squeeze down. There's a plastic clip. Go ahead and squeeze it down on both sides. I'm getting it here. So we'll just push up on this side here. Oh, there you go. Came right out. Okay. And I'm gonna go ahead And this is the fuse, this number 20 fuse is the fuse I'm more concerned about. But while I'm at it, let me go ahead and do a quick test on all the fuse to make sure that, so that lit up, that lights up, that lights up, that lights up. It's good, it's good. Now I'm just going ahead and checking these guys because I want to make sure my tester is working. So the bottom part of it works, but the top part of it didn't lit up. So I'm assuming that that is blown. So go ahead and put that down. Grab my tweezer. I'll go ahead and pop this guy out. And yeah, and there you have it, guys. Check that out. Not sure whether you can see that. So you guys can see that. Can see that? That is a blown fuse right there. That is blown. So that could be my problem. I don't know if that's a problem just yet, but let me go ahead and yeah, I don't know if that's my problem. So you guys can see that fuse is blown right there. That fuse is blown. So I'm gonna go ahead and dig into my stash here. And yep, we have another 20 amp fuse here. So as you can see the difference between this one and this one. Let's see, pull them up together. You see that? So as you can see, this one's blown and this one right here is perfectly tacked and in good order. So I'm gonna go ahead. I'm not sure if I should do this while the vehicle is running. So I'm gonna go ahead and shut the vehicle off. Like, I don't think it's gonna be a problem or anything like that, but I just kind of want to go ahead and do that. Okay, so that's the bad one, and this is the good one. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this guy in. So let's go ahead and tuck that in. As you can see, I just did that. Now I'm gonna go around. Take the camera out. Now I'm gonna go around and see if that solves my problem. Oh, I didn't have to do anything. Okay, guys, so there you go. So there you go. I shut off the engine, but the vehicle was still on, and as you can see, it's working. And all the equipment to get our yard looking leaves, a power washer. We'll go ahead and turn the car on.
That grill is so intricate.
And there you have it.
Professional to disassemble it, reassemble it, so that when you cook, you get a nice, clean cook.
Okay, so I can go ahead and turn that off. Oh man, and just like that, my wife is gonna be happy. So there you guys have it. If you guys have any problems like that, you guys can go ahead and you guys know what the problem is. So that is gonna be a problem right there. Your number 20 fuse in your secondary fuse box. That is your problem. So go ahead and make sure you have a tester. You want to get that. You know what? Now that you know what the problem is, you don't even need to have a tester. Just go ahead and if you're having this problem right now, if your radio is not working and you have the Honda Odyssey, now you can go ahead and just go directly to that fuse, and most likely that is going to be your problem. Go ahead and get back up. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and pick this guy up. Well, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. And if you have a 2009 Honda Odyssey and you're having problems with the radio is working, but there's no audio coming from the radio, that is gonna be your problem. Problem solved. So go ahead and get that fuse checked as your first top number one priority. And once again, if I can recommend you guys, always, guys, it's important to always have, you know, extra fuses in your car. Because you never know when something like this might come up. Anyways, guys, so hopefully that video was able to help you guys out. Thank you so much for watching the video. Until the next video, guys, know what to do. Go out, love one another, get to know God, trust Him, and live. Peace.